5 Pros and Cons of White Kitchen Cabinets. White kitchen cabinets are a popular choice for many households due to their clean, timeless look and ease of maintenance. Whether you're renovating your current kitchen or starting from scratch, considering white kitchen cabinets is an important decision. Here, we'll explore 5 of the pros and cons of using white kitchen cabinets so that you can make an informed decision. 5 White Cabinet Pros. 1. Looks clean and crisp. White kitchen cabinets bring a clean and crisp look to any kitchen. White is a timeless color that never goes out of style, so you don't have to worry about your white cabinets looking outdated. This makes them an ideal choice for those who want to invest in their kitchen without having to redecorate every few years. 2. Makes the kitchen feel bigger. White kitchen cabinets can make the kitchen feel bigger, brighter, and more open. The light color reflects light around the room, creating a sense of openness and spaciousness. This can be particularly helpful in smaller kitchens where space is at a premium. 3. Easy to coordinate with other colors. White kitchen cabinets can be easily coordinated with other colors and finishes. With white as a base, you can choose from endless color options for countertops, backsplashes, and wall paint. You can create a modern monochrome look or add splashes of color to the room with accessories such as artwork, curtains, or rugs. White kitchen cabinets offer versatility and flexibility. 4. Great for resale. White kitchen cabinets are great for resale value, as they are timeless and appealing to a wide variety of buyers. If you ever decide to sell your home, having white kitchen cabinets can make it much easier to attract potential buyers and increase the overall value of your home. 5. Stains are easily identified. White kitchen cabinets make it easy to identify stains, as they contrast sharply against the white background. This makes them an ideal choice for those who want to keep their kitchen clean and organized. The contrast of dark stains against a white background is easier to spot than on darker surfaces, so you can easily wipe up messes and spills before they set in. 5 White Cabinet Cons. 1. Easier to get dirty. White kitchen cabinets show dirt, smudges, and stains more easily than darker colors. This means that they will require more frequent cleaning and maintenance in order to keep them looking their best. 2. Your kitchen may feel cold or clinical. White kitchen cabinets are a classic choice, but they can give the kitchen a colder and more clinical feel. Without any other colors or textures to warm up the space, it can feel a bit uninviting. When selecting white cabinets, be sure to select a hue that is warm and not too clinical. 3. May lack pizzazz. White kitchen cabinets may lack the pizzazz of more vibrant colors. When it comes to kitchen design, white is often seen as a safe and conservative choice. If you want to make a bold statement with your kitchen, white cabinets may not be the best option for you. You may want to consider adding pops of color through accent pieces such as artwork or tile. 4. Can make the kitchen feel too bright. White kitchen cabinets can make the kitchen feel too bright and blinding, especially in a small space. Consider adding some darker colors to balance out the brightness of the white cabinets. You can also add window treatments to control the amount of natural light coming into the space. 5. Discoloration can be an issue. Discoloration can be an issue with white kitchen cabinets. Over time, white cabinets may become discolored due to exposure to sunlight and other environmental factors. This can give them a yellowish or grayish tint that is hard to remove. If you want your white cabinets to stay bright and fresh looking, regular cleaning and maintenance is key. If you're looking for timeless and beautiful kitchen cabinets that are easy to coordinate with other colors and finishes, look no further than Caruso Kitchen Designs. Our team of highly skilled professionals will help you find the perfect white kitchen cabinets for your home. With our wide selection of styles and finishes, you can be sure to find the perfect fit for your space. Visit our showroom or schedule a meeting with a designer and see what we have to offer.